The TIP program is a specific early intervention program designed to provide integrated care to first episode psychosis patients. It's built on three structures. The first is a mobile team for intensive care. The second is an outpatient case management team, and there's also a third part, which is the inpatient unit. And we provide 3 years of integrated care with specialized intervention geared to the needs of first episode psychosis patients.
As the Center of Psychiatric Neuroscience is on the same campus as the psychiatric hospital, it facilitates close interaction between neurobiologists and clinicians, and of course also patients. The link between the TIP early intervention program with the schizophrenia research program also is very important, as it allows to study the pathophysiology at the very early phase of the disease, avoiding confounding factors such as long-term treatment or chronicity of the disease.
The main aims of this translational research project are to identify mechanisms of illness in order to develop a set of biomarkers that we could use for early intervention, early detection, and that to identify new biological targets for maybe new treatment.
Based on our own studies from schizophrenic subjects, we have reason to believe that redox dysregulation during critical window of brain development combined with additional oxidative stress can lead or can somehow participate in the development of the illness. With this thought in mind, we designed experiments in our animal models that would tackle the susceptibility or the critical period issues and how they contribute to the development or the pathophysiology of the disease when combined with additional oxidative stress.
We have identified a hub which results from the convergence between genetic and environmental risk factors. The genetic risk factors are useful as vulnerability markers, but at the present is not amenable for curative treatment. But environmental risk factors can be prevented and through early treatment, for example with antioxidant or redox modulator, in order to reduce the early insults and the early impact on the brain alterations.
The neurobiology of psychosis is complex, and it's essential that clinicians understand the main concepts to actually participate in building the psychiatry of the future. But this collaboration or interaction goes both ways also, and I think that neurobiologists also benefit from this interaction in the sense that it helps them to tackle questions, problems that are also rooted in the clinical world and linked to patients' need.
Our research program gives the opportunity for clinicians to get interested in neuroscience research and neurobiologists interested to clinical problems. And thanks to the National Competence Center of Research, the NCCR Synapse program, funded by the Swiss National Foundation, we hope that a new generation of clinicians, psychiatrists, and neurobiologists will be trained to continue this type of translational research and also towards the benefit of patients' care.